Hello, today my topic is food web. I am Dr. Meenakshi Mahur, Assistant Professor Zoology, Sri Samvlaji Government College, Mandafia, Chittorgarh. What is food web? Food web is a network of food chains which became interconnected at various trophic levels so as to form a number of feeding connections amongst different organisms of a biotic community. In simple words, it is interlocking of food chain. In an ecosystem, there is no any food chain which is independent. The linear arrangement of food chains hardly occurs. Food web is formed by interlinking of three types of food chains, which may be predatory, parasitic, and saprophytic chains. In a food web, members of particular trophic level obtain their food according to their choice and taste. But that type of facility is not present in food chain. It means they have more alternatives for getting food. Now, types of food chain, food web. Food web may be categorized as terrestrial food web and aquatic food web. First, we will see terrestrial food web. In this, you can see the grass is being eaten by grasshopper, rabbit, or mouse. Then, grasshopper can be eaten by frog, rabbit. The mouse can be eaten by hawk. Rabbit can be eaten by hawk. Frog can be eaten by hawk. So see, there is the interlocking of food chains. This is first food chain. This is second food chain. This is third food chain. This is fourth food chain. So there are so many food chains in one example of food web. Now we will see aquatic food web. In it you can see plankton are being eaten by krill, blue whale, or penguin. And penguin can be eaten by squid or seal. Now krill can be eaten by squid or blue whale or seagull. So see, there are so many food chains in a one example of food web. Now, then we'll see significance of food web. Food web are very important in maintaining the stability of an ecosystem in nature. It provides the alternate pathways of food availability. For example, dogs, that is secondary consumers, may feed on rats or mice in the event of decrease in the number of rabbits on which they also feed. Thus, alternatives serve for maintenance of stability of the ecosystem. As much as food web is complex, that ecosystem is more permanent or stable. Such type of ecosystem cannot be destroyed naturally and it continues for long time as it is not affected by loss of any organism of any particular trophic level. Greater the number of alternate pathways, more stable is the ecosystem. Now second, food web also helps in checking the overpopulation of those species of animals and plants which have a high fecundity. The third one, food web also aids in ecosystem development as the time allows increasingly intimate associations and reciprocal adaptations between plants and animals. Thank you.